This man seems to be relaxing on the cable wires. This man is obviously not a Jamaican, but he is singing Vybz Kartel song.
Oh, when you're gone, I miss you. You roll with the flame, with the Rizla. When me turn and I twist you, you give a different state of mind. The loss of a this ya. Policeman that search that they miss ya. Oh, when they're loving you, live in a jail. If loving you is a crime. I love it when you rule up. You look good in the visit when you're full up. Me prefer when you're cure up. And when you're fresh sugar in my chest. Now look how far we all come from. Like me to me, yeah, like.
Yeah, Mr. Something not going away. It's a trend. You know, more time you up and you help somebody with down, and when for them time for up and you kind of in a problem, them no want to help you, and it's frustrated because you did help without an itch. You help from your heart. Let me tell you what you have to do for make it not bother you, because I've been through it a million times. Just act like them dead. Just act like them not living. And when you see them, you say, what you dopey there? Because some people just born wicked. Some people are just evil, them not go change. So you just avoid them, take them out of your brain, take them out of your space, take them all out of your memory. Them dead. Them 9-night keep and them funeral keep, them dead. Just, you can't expect help from dead somebody. You ever see dead people that help nobody? Just tell yourself, say them dead. And wicked them. And everybody have the same heart as you here. Alright.
I call this one the rope on
Yo people, remember, so the acted, it's not real.